Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to Social Science Class 6. Today we are going to learn Unit 3 History, Hindu Civilization. Students, four value rivers become the cradle of the words. Major civilization, they were the Indus Valley civilization on the banks of the rivers. Indus and its tributaries. The Mesopotamia civilization on the banks of the river Tigris. The Egyptian civilization and the banks of river Nile. The Chinese civilization and the bank of river Huanghe. Are you clear, children? Very good. Students, now let us move on to the topic Hindu civilization. The word civilization comes from the enhanced Latin word civis, which means city. Hindu civilization, also called Harappan civilization. The past of India goes back several thousand years. We learn about in form of evidence, our ancestor left behind even when the paper was not made. We get the evidence from dry palm leaf plates of copper, rocks and pillars, stone walls, clay tablet, etc. The weapons, pottery and other tools found during excavation let us about the life and culture of the people of those times. Students, why did people settle near rivers? People prefer to settle near the rivers from the reasons. First one is the soil is fertile. Second one is fresh water is available for drinking, watering, livestock and irrigation. Third one, easy movement of people and goods is possible. Students, next we will see discovery of a lost city Harappa. In the 1920, archaeologists began to excavate the cities of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. The ruins of Harappa were first described by the British East India Company soldier and explorer Charles Mason in his book when he visited the northwest frontiers Providence, which is known now in Pakistan. He came across some mysterious brick mounds. He wrote that he saw a renewed brick castle with very high wall and towers built on a hill. This was the earliest historical record of the extent of Harappa. In 1856, when engineers laid a railway line connecting Lahore to Karachi, they discovered more burnt bricks. Without understanding the significance, they used the bricks for laying the railroad. In 1924, the Director General of ASI, Sir John Marshall, found many common features between Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. He concluded that they were part of the lost civilization. Do you know, children, the Archaeological Survey of India ASI was started in 1861 with Alexander Cunningham as surveyor. Its headquarters is located in New Delhi. How do archaeologists explore a lost city? Archaeologists study the physical objects such as bricks, stone or bits of broken pottery. to ascertain the location of the city and time that it belonged to. They searched the ancient literary sources for reference about the place. Are you clear, children? Very good. They look at aerial photographs of the excavation sites or cities to understand the topography. To see under the ground, they may use a magnetic scanner. The presence and absence of archaeological remains can be detected by radar and remote sensing methods. Are you clear, children? Very good. Now we are going to see site in Indian borders. Archaeologists found major Harappa sites within Indian borders. The excavation that and the sites about the life and culture of the civilization. They flourished around 3500 BC and the bank of the river Indus. Indus Valley civilization was a Bronze Age civilization that was located in the northwest region of the Indian subcontinent. Are you clear, children? Very good. Since many of the Harappa settlement found vast plain of rivers, Saraswati, which is dry today, it is also called as Indus Saraswati civilization. The Harappa culture was spread over many parts of India. Important Harappa cities and Tuji located and the left bank of river Indus opposite Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Kalibangam in North Rajasthan, Amri near Indus river, Manda, Rakhighari, Mitatai, Ganwariwala, Dulhavira and Lothal, some of the other places. Are you clear, children? Very good. Now we are going to see time span of Indus civilization. Geographical range South Asia. Period Bronze Age. Time 3300 to 1900 BC. Using the radiocarbon dating method. Area 13 lakh square feet kilometer. Cities 6 big cities. Village more than 200. Now we are going to see urban civilization. Harappa civilization is said to be urban because of the following reasons. Well convenient tower planning, astronomy, masonry and architecture, priority for hygiene and public health, standardized weights and measures, solid agriculture and artisanal base. Are you clear, children? Now we are going to see unique features of Harappa civilization. Town planning is a unique features of the Indus civilization. The Harappa city had two planned areas. One is upper town, second one lower town. Upper town having at present the part of the city to the west was higher and it was called citadel. Next, it was used by the administrator. Harappa used great bath and granaries are located in upper town areas. Now lower town. The part of the city east was lower but larger. It was inhabited by common people. My dear children, I hope you all are understood very well. about this lesson. Thank you children. Have a nice day.